Welcome to Guide Your Right channel. In this video, I will show you how to restore deleted posts or stories on your Instagram. So, have you deleted any of the post stories or reels by mistake? Now, you could not find it or restore it back. Don't scratch your head. It is possible to recover deleted content on Instagram. It's very simple, but it can be a distressing experience. Fortunately, there are some way to restore your deleted stories, posts, or reels on your Instagram. It's very simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Instagram. For example, we'll try to delete my post. This one can just delete it. So it will disappear from my feed. So how to restore the post that we just delete? It's very simple. You can open your settings, so you can just tap on the three lines over here. You can just scroll down. You can go to your activity, and you'll find there is an option recently deleted. You can just tap on that. So here's all the deleted posts, reels, or stories on your Instagram will be saved. And only you can see this post. They will be permanently deleted after a number of days shown. After that, you won't be able to restore them. So this post, this deleted posts and also stories will be delayed permanently after 30 days. So before 30 days, you can restore your reels, stories, or posts in here. So this one for your post, and here's for your story. If you want to restore your story, you can just choose on the story that you want to restore. Tap on the three dots over here, and there is an option restore. You can just tap on that. And if you want to restore your post, you can choose on the post that you want to restore. Tap on the three dots over here, choose on restore, and here restore post. If you delete it from your profile grid, people will be able to see and interact with it again. If you delete it from your archive, it will be restored to your archive. So you can just tap on restored. This one, and let's see. And also this one, I want to restore it. Let's do the same thing. Now let's check on your feed, my feed. Now you see the post is back to my profile. It's very simple, right? So that is, don't worry if you just accidentally delete your real post or story on Instagram, you can't restore it back to your account. So that is how to restore posts on Instagram. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.